Foxes are beautiful little animals.
They don't really attack humans, right?
No, they play with humans.
Yeah.
Foxes become your friend. Like, you could take a grown fox, and if you're around it enough and it doesn't think of you as a threat, like, they'll start treating you like a dog. Like, they'll play. Like, look at this.
Adorable.
Come on, man. This is a wild animal that will play with you almost like a dog. Like, look, this thing's on its back. This guy's petting it, man. I mean, come on. How crazy is that you could pet a fox? That is a wild fox who just comes up to him and is playing with him. They're like little dogs, man. And they hang out. And I guess they established a relationship.